The IELTS listening test is designed to assess a candidate's ability to understand spoken English in various contexts. However, the test often includes tricky elements that can mislead candidates and result in lost band score. Being aware of these common traps can significantly improve performance. 1. Distractors. The speakers may initially give one piece of information and later change it. For example, a speaker might say, "The meeting is scheduled for Monday. Oh wait, actually, it has been moved to Wednesday." Candidates who do not listen carefully may note down the incorrect day. 2. Similar sounding words. Words that sound similar but have different meanings, such as 15 and 50 or price and prize, can confuse candidates. Paying attention to context is crucial to identifying the correct word. 3. Paraphrasing and synonyms. The question may contain a word, but the recording may use a synonym instead. For example, if the question asks about advantages, the speaker may say benefits instead. Candidates should be prepared for this variation in language. 4. Speed of speech. Some sections feature fast-paced conversations, making it difficult to catch every word. To counter this, practicing with different accents and speech speeds can help improve comprehension. 5. Word limit restrictions. Candidates must follow the word limit mentioned in the instructions. If a question requires no more than 2 words, writing 3 words, even if correct, will lead to losing marks. 6. Spelling errors. Even if the answer is correct, incorrect spelling results in no marks. Candidates should focus on common spelling mistakes, especially in names, numbers, and technical terms. 7. Numbers and dates confusion. When numbers or dates are mentioned, they might be repeated or corrected. For example, her phone number is 8945. Not paying close attention can lead to mistakes. 8. Unclear speaker intentions. Speakers may sound unsure or hesitate before providing a definite answer. Phrases like "I think" or "probably" may indicate uncertainty, but candidates should focus on clear, final statements. Number 9. Multi-speaker conversations. In conversations involving multiple people, different opinions and perspectives may be discussed. Candidates must identify the correct answer based on the specific individual being asked about. Trap number 10. Guessing instead of predicting. Instead of randomly guessing, candidates should try to predict answers based on context before the recording plays. This technique improves focus and accuracy. So, these are the top 10 tricky barriers that prevent most students losing band scores in the listening test. If you practice regularly being aware of these traps, you will surely improve your scores easily. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful content like this.